Today we're gonna make a very unique, one-of-a-kind chicken dumpling recipe by using rice, which you can make at home very easily. So let's see how it's done. First we're gonna take 1 cup of basmati rice and soak in water. After 15 minutes, we're gonna drain all the water out, mix the rice with salt and spread it out on a plate. Now we're gonna take 400 grams of chicken keema, mix it with 1 tbsp chopped garlic, 1 tsp chopped ginger, 1 tsp green chili, 1 tbsp grated carrots, 2 small sized chopped onion, 1 tsp dark soya sauce, 1 tsp black pepper powder, 1 tsp salt, 2 tbsp corn flour and 2 tsp cooking oil. And we're gonna mix everything very well. And if you want to know the details about the ingredients listed over here, check the description of this video. After this, we're going to take small parts out of the chicken filling and shape it into a ball, which we're going to coat it with the rice which we had set aside earlier. And we're going to repeat this entire process for all of the chicken filling that we have made, and we're going to set aside the dumplings onto a plate. After this, we're going to brush some cooking oil on a perforated utensil and set the dumplings by keeping a little space between them. Then, keeping the gas at low to medium flame, we're gonna put a karhai with water, and on top of that place this perforated utensil with the dumplings and cover it with a lid. Then we let it steam for 15 minutes. Other than this, if you guys have a steamer with you, you can use that too. After 15 minutes, we're gonna take the lid off, and for decoration we're gonna take any kind of a food color and put 1 drop of food color on top of each of the dumpling. In this video we have used yellow food color because we think for this kind of a dumpling yellow color looks more appetizing. After this, we're gonna close the lid back on and let it steam for 5 more minutes. Then you can take the dumplings out on a plate, garnish it in however way you want it, and now your chicken dumplings are ready. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you didn't like it, hit the like button anyways, because honestly it helps us out. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, throw a chicken dumpling at it or chicken Manchurian, I don't know, just click it, man.